Chicks are playing with mom.
August 10th.
On a mission.
It's setting time.
Resetting a budgie's nesting area is crucial for their well-being and behavior.
It's where they rest, hide, and feel safe.
August 15th.
Oops, oops.
August 17th. August 27th.
You see, budgies are creatures of habit, and their nesting area plays a huge role in their daily lives.
Waiting for hatch. Stay tuned. If you love my video, please like, share, and subscribe for more epic episodes in Budgie's Sanctuary.